Whether you're in the market for a home or trying to sell your house or condo, or maybe you just like to surf the real estate listings and dream, you're probably spending a lot of time on Zillow, the #1 most trafficked real estate listing site in the United States. Here are 5 quick tips on how to get the most out of the site. You can compare houses side by side now rather than try to make a complicated spreadsheet with stats on the places you like. When you see a house on Zillow, click Save, then go into your Saved Homes section, click the checkbox next to the top contenders, and then click Compare, and you'll see them all on screen in a grid. Number 2, you can customize your search area. If you put in a zip code or a city that you want, the default search area is set for you, but you can change it easily. Click the Draw button on the search map and use your finger, if you're on a mobile app, or use your mouse cursor to draw your own area, specifying the places that you want to find a new abode. Your future searches will stick to that area until you change it. When you have a real estate agent for selling a house, they give you comps, which is shorthand for the comparable houses in the area that have sold, so you get a better idea of how to price your place. You can do your own quick and dirty comps on Zillow by limiting your searches to just properties that are marked as sold and then setting the parameters to sold in, say, the last 6 months. Here's one for the sellers. Not only should you hire a professional photographer to get the very best shots of your home, you should make sure to set up a 3D walkthrough. It's very easy to do with the Zillow 3D Home app. You can make it on your smartphone, but some agents and pro photographers also can get a hold of tools to make an interactive floor plan that works with the 3D walkthrough. Want to learn a few more things about maximizing the best parts of Zillow? Read the full story over at pcmag.com.